If you are looking to start a clothing brand, or scale your printing business in 2026, stop. Don't click buy just yet. The market is flooded with new machines. Some are absolute gold, and some are just overpriced paperweights that will cost you thousands in headaches. We've spent the last 3 months testing the latest models. We ran the tests. We broke the printers. We fixed them. We pushed them to the absolute limit to find the one machine that actually delivers on its promise. Starting at number 1. Lancelot Auto Maintenance M1630. The Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF Transfer Printer is designed to significantly enhance productivity by delivering double the printing speed compared to previous models such as the L1800 and R1390. This cutting-edge machine features a smart auto-film cutting system, making it an ideal choice for professionals in clothing studios who require efficient heat transfer solutions. It is capable of handling both single sheets and rolls of transfer film with remarkable ease. The printer is included in a comprehensive DTF printer bundle, which comes with a high-compatibility laptop preloaded with necessary drivers, ensuring a seamless setup experience right out of the box. One of the standout features of the Lancelot M1630 is its patented holiday mode auto-cleaning function. This innovative feature prevents nozzle clogs during periods of inactivity, which is a common issue in many printing machines. Additionally, it incorporates an advanced white ink circulation system, specifically designed for A3 DTF printer compatibility. This system significantly extends the lifespan of the print head by up to 40% longer than standard direct-to-garment (DTG) printer t-shirt machines. To help conserve resources, it also includes waste ink alerts, enabling users to save up to 30% on consumables. Number 2. InkSonic R1390 DTF Printer. The InkSonic R1390 stands out as the top-selling entry-level DTF, direct-to-film, printer in 2025, offering an impressive capability to deliver photo-quality prints perfect for entrepreneurs eager to establish a custom apparel business. This printer is engineered to accommodate various fabrics, including cotton and polyester, enabling users to create vibrant, eye-catching designs that promise long-lasting results. These are qualities that consumers can trust for their merchandise, whether for personal use or for selling. One of the key aspects of InkSonic's customer support is designed explicitly for those new to the printing business and for those experiencing growth. They offer one-on-one dedicated customer support, which is invaluable for users who may encounter challenges as they navigate their printing tasks. In addition to this personalized support, there are step-by-step installation videos to aid in the printer setup, ensuring a smooth beginning for users. Comprehensive user manuals provide detailed guidance on operating the printer, allowing users to familiarize themselves with its functions and features. Number 3. Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF Printer. Blazing speed experience. Enjoy the remarkable advantage of 2x faster printing compared to traditional printers. This extraordinary speed enables a quick turnaround of trendy designs, making it the perfect solution for on-demand custom t-shirt printing. Whether you're responding to fashion surges or creating unique apparel, this capability ensures you can keep up with the ever-changing trends in the fashion industry without compromising on quality or time. White Heavy Checkmark Auto Powder Shaking. The automatic powder shaking heating machine included in your DTF transfer printer bundle ensures an even and uniform application of powder. This essential feature eliminates any imperfections that may arise during the transfer process. As a result, you can create vibrant, lasting transfers perfect for sleek garments, from denim jackets to stylish caps. The precision of this system guarantees that your finished products will meet both aesthetic and durability standards. Number 4. InkSonic L13 DTF Printer. Rockro A3 DTF Printer is equipped with a self-developed motherboard, which significantly enhances its performance by delivering vibrant colors, sharp details, and rich saturation. With a maximum resolution of 1440 by 1440 dpi and support for CMYK plus white, WW, 6 color channels, this printer is capable of producing stunning prints that stand out in quality. One of the key features of the Rockro A3 DTF printer is its impressive printing speed. It utilizes a stable XP600 printhead along with a dual feeding system for both sheets and rolls. This advanced setup allows the printer to achieve a printing speed that is 200% faster than that of the L1800 or L805 models. By reducing printing time by half, users can enjoy 50% less maintenance time while achieving higher output levels within the same time frame, making it an efficient choice for busy environments. Number 5. M1630 Pro Automatic Maintenance. The integrated preheating and vacuum suction system incorporated in this DTF heat transfer clothing printer bundle plays a crucial role in the overall printing process. By ensuring smooth film feeding, it effectively prevents the formation of wrinkles, which can detract from print quality. Additionally, this system enhances ink adhesion, resulting in sharp and vibrant prints that stand out brilliantly on various fabric types. Whether you're working with dark or light fabrics, this printer is designed to deliver high-quality results consistently. White have a checkmark, ready-to-print bundle and smart maintenance. This bundle comes fully equipped with everything you need to get started right away. It includes a specialized printhead cleaning solution that helps maintain optimal performance, a comprehensive set of DTF consumables, and pre-installed software that allows for plug-and-play operation. Furthermore, it features an exclusive 90-day holiday mode, a smart maintenance feature that automatically maintains the printheads to prevent clogs, ultimately extending their lifespan. So there you have it. If you want the specific model I recommended, or want to check the current prices, you'll find all the links in the description box below. If this video helped you make a decision, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel, and subscribe for more printing reviews in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy printing! I'll see you in the next one.